So I'll be showing you how to use speech to text in the voice recorder app of your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So speech to text basically is transcription. You're converting speech into text, and you can use that in the voice recorder app. So let's go to the voice recorder app of your Samsung phone. Here it is. And let's say you want to write something, okay? All you can do is just have the voice recorder app record your voice as you say that thing that you want to type, and it's going to transcribe for you. So for instance, let's try something. Let's try a recording. This is an example of transcription, also known as speech to text, in the Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you make use of this feature and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. So you've seen me record that, so I can first of all save it. Now that voice recording, as you can see, when I tap on it to open it on its own page, I can play it. This is an example of transcription, also known. So now if I want to convert this speech into text, I'll just tap on transcribe. Now it's going to use Galaxy AI and transcribe to the language of my choice, either Arabic, French, English, or whatever other language I want. Since I want English, I'll just tap on transcribe. And you can see my speech has been converted to text very easily. And now I can copy this and paste it somewhere else that I want to paste it. So that is basically how to use speech to text in the voice recorder app of your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.